Everyone says TikTok ruined your attention span, but here's the truth. Your brain isn't broken. It's starving. Starving for something worth locking onto. Think about it. You scroll past endless recycled hacks, fake motivation, and memes you've already seen. Of course you can't focus. That's not distraction. That's malnutrition. And no, the solution isn't deleting apps or forcing a dopamine detox that dies after a week. The fix is simple. Find one thing that makes your brain hungry. Something so magnetic you forget to check the time. It could be coding an app. It could be writing music. It could be mastering cooking like a world-class chef. The what doesn't matter. The depth does. Take Ed Sheeran. Kid had a stutter so bad he struggled to speak, but he fell in love with songwriting, rapped to Eminem tracks for hours until the stutter disappeared. Now, he sings to stadiums without hesitation. He didn't escape distraction. He outgrew it. So stop asking, how do I quit scrolling? Start asking, what can I obsess over so much that scrolling feels boring? Your attention isn't gone. It's waiting to be claimed.